People around the world use non-stick pots and pans for their everyday cooking. The non-stick cookware looks perfect for flipping pancakes and frying eggs. It can be useful for cooking delicate foods that might otherwise stick to the pan. But have you ever wondered about the coating on it which makes them non-stick? Some claim they are harmful and linked to health conditions such as cancer, while others insist that cooking with non-stick cookware is completely safe. In this video, let's have a detailed look at few types of cookware, their health effects, and whether or not they are safe to cook with. Let's get started. You may have encountered the term non-stick often while purchasing cookware for your kitchen. Non-stick cookware is a cooking vessel in which the food slowly browns but does not stick to the pan. You might be wondering what non-stick cookware is made up of that has led to questioning any dangers to the health of consumers. The answer is teflon, that is used in making non-stick cookware. Teflon, in the language of chemists, is polytetrafluoroethylene resin. It is one of the most slippery substances. It does not cause corrosion. It is chemically resistant. It has a high melting point. Some chemicals allegedly released by overheating non-stick cookware are PFOA, which is perfluorooctanoic acid, and PFOS, which is perfluorooctanosulfonic acid. Let me inform you that PFOA is no longer used in making Teflon after 2013. Non-stick cookware has a smooth surface. Once there is a scratch, the cookware begins to degrade and then slowly starts to enter into your food and then slowly makes way into your body. The PFAS and PTFEs don't pass out of the body, and this results in bioaccumulation. Bioaccumulation is the process in which substances such as PFAS and PTFEs accumulate in human body and cause harm. PFOA has been linked to a number of health conditions including thyroid disorder, chronic kidney disease, liver disease, and testicular cancer. It has also been linked to infertility and low birth rate. Today, all Teflon products are PFOA free. Therefore, the health effects of PFOA exposure are no longer a cause of concern. When you cook your food in non-stick cookware at very high temperatures, the air in your kitchen is polluted with Teflon fumes which are harmful to your body. Teflon also does not easily degrade in the environment. Teflon should be used to prepare quick meals that do not require high temperatures. Teflon is also damaged by metal objects. Therefore, you should store the pan together with wooden or plastic items. And when cooking, use silicone, nylon, or wooden spatulas. Also, avoid using non-stick cookware when the recipe requires you to preheat the dish, and don't use non-stick cookware in an oven or microwave which is hotter than 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Clean the cookware with a soft sponge and never use steel scrubbers as they damage the coating and break it down. Just use them with a bit more care, and the next time you go to purchase a cookware, look for other alternatives. In this day and age, there are many substitutes which are safer and also cost less than non-stick cookware. Aluminium is a fairly lightweight metal that conducts heat rapidly. It's also simple to clean and very inexpensive. Do you know that aluminium deposits get into your food when you cook in this metal? Chances are you will never taste them. Most people consume about 7 to 9 milligrams of aluminium each day. There is also a research which found that aluminium exposure is linked to the development of Alzheimer's disease. Aluminium has never been definitely linked to Alzheimer's, and according to the Alzheimer's Association, there's little chance that everyday cooking with aluminium plays any role in the development of this condition. But if you are going with aluminium, it's better if you can switch to anodized aluminium. Anodized aluminium cookware is treated with an acidic solution that changes how metal behaves. Anodized aluminium is easier to clean, can have non-stick qualities, and supposedly doesn't cause leaching of aluminium into your food to the extent that regular aluminium does. If you prefer to use aluminium, anodized may be a safer choice. Stainless steel cookware is versatile, long-lasting and high-performing. It's used by millions of home cooks and professional chefs across the globe. Stainless steel is an alloy of iron and carbon mixed with chromium, nickel and other elements. Most stainless steel alloys usually contain at least 10.5% chromium and smaller percentage of nickel. The chromium and nickel make stainless steel strong, non-reactive and resistant to rust and corrosion. These elements also give it a brilliant shine. But is stainless steel cookware safe? Is it non-toxic? Are there any health concerns? The experts assert that stainless steel is food safe as long as it contains at least 16% chromium. Before starting this, I want you to know ceramic cookware and ceramic coated cookware aren't the same. Ceramic cookware is a recent addition to the non-stick cookware market. It's an eco-friendly and safer alternative than its teflon counterpart. It's durable but not as tough as stainless steel cookware. Ceramic cookware is made from organic material, hence it is considered among the safest cookware. Ceramic cookware is made entirely using only ceramic, whereas the building material of ceramic coated cookware is aluminium or steel. Ceramic cookware is 100% safe as it is made out of inorganic material that doesn't contain any toxic chemicals or metals. On the other hand, ceramic coated cookware is a metallic frying pan covered with the ceramic coating that is also safer than other existing non-stick pans in the market. Cast iron is a very versatile and durable material for cooking that has been around for a very long time. This oven-to-table cookware material is extremely reliable and durable. Cast iron cookware can last forever. It could certainly outlive you, which is why they make a perfect heirloom. It may take time for cast iron cookware to heat on stovetops and even more time over induction. However, once cast iron cookware becomes hot, they retain heat very well. Iron from the cast iron may leach into food, making it beneficial for iron deficient people. Unlike most other cookware, metal spoons can be used on cast iron cookware without worrying about scratching it. Cast iron cookware is solid and sturdy. While they require love and care to protect them from rust, they can handle rough treatment. Cast iron cookware that has been seasoned correctly has non-stick qualities and gives food a distinct flavor that other kinds of pots and pans can't duplicate. Purchasing cookware can feel overwhelming, so it's important to do your research before you go shopping and determine what's important to you when choosing these utensils. I hope you liked the information shared in this video. If so, please share it with your loved ones. Also, if you want to know about the effects of using plastic as a food container, then watch this video.